For centuries, classical exegesis has examined the text of Surah Al-Falaq as a theological invocation. Traditional interpretations focus on the physical world, viewing these verses as a prayer for protection against the literal dark of night through the arrival of daybreak. However, the linguistic root of the word falaq refers to the act of cleaving or splitting. Just as dawn splits the night, this same root describes the moment any organized system or truth splits through the envelope of ambiguity to manifest in reality. By examining this concept of splitting through a highly structural lens, we find a rigorous framework for maintaining systemic integrity. This analysis shifts the text from a simple material metaphor into an architectural blueprint for managing human antagonism. Academically, we can define al-falaq as the moment of breakthrough, the radical disclosure of a success or a new systemic order. The text establishes that this disclosure is not a vacuum-sealed event. The act of becoming visible activates specific counterbalancing forces in the surrounding environment. This environmental pushback constitutes a tax of visibility. To navigate this, the surah provides a precise modeling of three distinct threat vectors that emerge to collect this tax. Success and clarity invariably trigger an environmental backlash, and this script provides the protocol to manage it. We begin with a central al-falaq breakthrough. This disclosure acts as the catalyst for the entire system. Once a system achieves this level of clarity, it encounters its first operational threat. This is the infiltrator, conceptually mapped in the text as al-Ghasic. The figure targets the waqab, the specific gaps or structural vulnerabilities that appear when a system is in flux. This threat relies on stealth. It waits for moments of unawareness to penetrate the system through these newly exposed boundaries. The first stage of the visibility tax is the opportunistic exploitation of a system's unguarded perimeter. The second threat vector bypasses the perimeter to operate through internal friction. These are the Soft-Power Saboteurs, identified as a Naffathat. The knots, or uqad, represent the critical social bonds and systemic contracts that hold the breakthrough together. This attack focuses on the unraveling of these ties through continuous, hidden incitement and whispers. Unlike the infiltrator, who looks for a physical gap, the saboteur uses sustained soft pressure to erode internal trust. This highlights how systems often collapse from the unseen decay of foundational relationships. The third vector is an aggressive force triggered the moment the breakthrough becomes undeniable. This is the core antagonist, defined as al-Hasid, or the destructive driver. The text differentiates this from a passive feeling. These beams represent active kinetic destruction. This antagonist turns internal tension into outward action because the success of the breakthrough can no longer be ignored. This is a form of targeted disruption, aggressively designed by the antagonist to completely dismantle the newly organized structure of the breakthrough. While others exploit gaps or erode bonds, the core antagonist seeks to directly break the system itself. Examining this complete framework reveals that these diverse antagonistic forces follow a predictable systemic structure. The infographic labels this state of tension as dynamic equilibrium. Structural integrity requires this antagonism. It acts as a catalyst to test and refine the system's resilience. Following the curved arrows back to the center reveals the response mechanism, the protection protocol, or Isti'adha. Invoking this protocol functions as a proactive mechanism for risk neutralization. This provides a framework for integrating environmental pushback as a necessary component of systemic growth. Surah Al-Falaq functions as a blueprint for managing the consequences of disclosure. The protocol acts as a system reset, providing the psychological clarity to maintain progress despite the resulting friction. At the bottom of the diagram, the text describes this as a protocol for shielding the self from environmental reactions. This protocol serves as a deliberate method for achieving complete internal stabilization, immediately following any period of intense disruption. Ultimately, these points of friction serve to prove the resilience of the management framework and to sharpen the operational mindset